In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create users in Zoho CRM. If you're setting up a team inside your CRM, adding users correctly is an important first step. It allows each person to have their own login, their own access level, and a more organized experience inside the system. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can add a new user smoothly. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in with the appropriate permissions. Usually, only administrators or users with user management access can create new users. So if you don't see the options I mention, you may need a higher access level. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, look for the Setup option and click on it. This is where you'll find the main administrative settings for your CRM, including customization, automation, and user management. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to notice that Setup is essentially the control center for managing how your CRM works behind the scenes. After opening Setup, click on Users. This section is specifically for managing the people who can access your CRM account. Here, you'll typically see a list of existing users along with their roles, status, and other account details. Reviewing this page can be helpful before adding someone new, especially if you want to confirm how your current user structure is set up. Next, click Add New User. This will open the form where you can enter the new user's details. Fill in the required information carefully. Depending on your Zoho CRM configuration, this may include basic account details, role-related settings, and other fields needed to create the user profile. Be sure to double-check everything before moving forward, since accurate information helps ensure the new user gets the right access and can start using the CRM without issues. As you complete the form, it's also a good idea to pay attention to any permissions or user-related settings shown on the screen. These options can affect what the person is able to view or edit once they log in, so it's worth reviewing them carefully during setup. Once you're done entering the user's details, click Assign. This final step confirms the user creation process and assigns the account based on the information you entered. After that, the new user should be added to your Zoho CRM system. And that's it. That's how to create users in Zoho CRM. If you're adding multiple team members, just repeat the same process for each one, and make sure each profile is set up accurately from the start.